Hey, welcome to another video on the M3 Restoration Project. Today I have two things planned in mind, one of which is going to be a bumper replacement and the second is going to be interior. So I'm going to need to replace the steering wheel in this car because it is absolute crap. So the previous owner swapped the M3 steering wheel into his 3 Series and he put his crappy one in here. And you can see up here how damaged and crappy this thing actually really is. So in my opinion, I think this is the best steering wheel for an E36 other than an M-Tech 2, just because it gives it such a Euro feeling and just how the car was supposed to be from the very beginning, instead of this crappy US version. Right, so to get started, first thing first, and that is actually to disconnect the battery. So anytime you ever work with airbags, always make sure to disconnect the battery because you never want it to pop in your face or anything to go wrong. What I like to do is I like to put the key into the second position. I turn the wheel to the right or to the left, and that actually makes it a lot easier to get the T30 screws because there's a little groove right here actually in the steering column that allows you to unscrew the T30 screws. After you're done with that side, you can flip the steering wheel another 180 degrees and you can get to work on the other side. After you're done unscrewing the airbag, you can turn the steering wheel back into its regular position. Make sure that the steering wheel is straight. And you can go ahead and turn the key to the 0 position and try to lock the steering wheel. So after you lock the steering wheel, you can pop off the airbag, and there's going to be a connection right here for the airbag. So make sure to disconnect that and don't just rip it out. So now to remove the steering wheel, you're going to need a size 16, and you're going to need a breaker bar, or you could just use a regular Torx wrench with an extension. You're going to need something a little longer than this, but as I expected, the original owner didn't tighten this one too bad, so I can just go ahead and unscrew this. So once again, don't just rip off the steering wheel. The cable in the back should still be connected, so make sure to be careful with that. But apparently, again, mine wasn't. Also, try to find the right plug for your airbag, or try to find the right wiring diagram. I have a website that I can put in the link below that actually helped me out a lot. You're going to need to find also the right slip ring to put in here because all the M3 models and the E36s didn't come with the same slip ring. But since my slip ring is still in the mail, I'm just going to go ahead and put on the new steering wheel. So the new steering wheel should just slip in without any issues. All the teeth should be aligned and there should be no problems. Now I'm ready to just install the airbag, screw everything back into place, and this is basically what it should look like. Yeah, so to me, this looks a whole lot better than what it used to be. That's just such a big difference. I don't even know what to say. So in the beginning of the video I said that I was also going to do the bumper, but my painter said that it's not ready yet, so I guess that's going to have to be prolonged to another episode. So again, thank you for watching. Like the video, comment if you want to see anything special, and always hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Big block, not easy.